Then tell me, why are we still want to be a one Nigerian when we are no Nigerian on the same sense? That is number one. From a man who fought for the Nigerian independence. Another man said his own from the northeast side, which is Nnamdi Azikiwe, even though his own was a little bit conquer than Awolowo. What did he say? He said, it's a better for us and many ideas abroad that we should disintegrate in peace. We should disintegrate in peace, not in pieces. Should the politician àwọn olóṣèlú, should the politician fail to hear this warning, then I will naturally the prediction that the experience of the Democratic Republic of Congo will be a child play if ever it comes to our turn to play such a strategic role. Nnamdi Azikiwe said this in 1964, 4 years after independence. What are we talking about? Those are the people who know the genesis of Nigeria said we are not together. Then, apart from that, let's go to Yahusa. Abubakar Tafawa Balewa said his own. He said the new nation called Nigerian, that is Ahmadu Bello. I will come back to his dad. Let me just go back to Abubakar. He said, since 1914, the British government have been trying to make Nigeria into a one country. But Nigerian people themselves, can you imagine? Nigerian people themselves, and look at it, are historically different in their backgrounds. We are historically different in our background, in their religions, belief and custom, and do not show themselves any sign of willingness to unite. We are not showing ourselves any sign of willingness to unite. Then why are we forcing us when we are not showing ourselves any sign of willingness to unite? It is clearly that both of us understand that both Igbo and Hausa, we don't show ourselves any sign of willingness. As Ahmadu Bello, as Tafawa Balewa said, that we don't show ourselves any sign of willingness to unite. This is clearly information that every one of us need to understand. But fear how fi síra wa pé a nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa kò sí pé a nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa ò sí ń bẹ̀. We are not showing any sign of willingness to unite, and then we can never be united, whether you like it or not, because I will show any sign of willingness to unite. Then nígbà tá a ti show any sign of willingness to unite, as according to Tafawa Balewa, who said that since 1914 the British government has been trying to make Nigeria into a one country, but the Nigerian people themselves are historically different in culture, in agriculture, in everything, in food, in tradition, in everything. We are different. We are historically different. History tèmi ó yàtọ̀ sí history ti Igbo. History ti Igbo ó yàtọ̀ sí history ti Hausa. Èmi á sọ Yorùbá, Hausa sọ Igbo, wọ́n á sọ Igbo wọn, Hausa náà sọ Hausa wọn. I don't understand Igbo. Mi ò gbọ́ Hausa, mi ò gbọ́ Igbo. Why tẹ́sí máa lọ dà wá papọ̀? Because àmọ́ Tafawa Balewa sọ pé àníṣe o dídàpọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè mẹ́ta tẹ̀ dàpọ̀ yìí fún àǹfààní àwọn British ni, kì í ṣe fún àǹfààní Nàìjíríà gẹ́gẹ́ fún alára wọn. Ó ní nítorí wípé àwa gẹ́gẹ́ fún alára wa o ayàtọ̀ ajẹ́yàtọ̀ yàtọ̀ ní èdè, ní àṣà, ní ìwà, ní religion, ní gbogbo ọ̀nà, ní ẹ̀sìn. Ó ń lágbá yàtọ̀ síra wa. Then why are we forcing ourselves? You are forcing us, and then why? That is the question. Then he said, in custom, and do not show themselves any signs of willingness to unite. We are not showing ourselves any sign of willingness to unite. Stop deceiving us. We are not one. We are divided in pieces already. We are not showing ourselves any sign of willingness to unite. Then why are we forcing us together? Only Nigerian unity. It is only a British invention. Nigerian unity. It is only a British invention. We are not together. Tafawa Balewa said it in 1948. The Nigerian unity, it is just for the British invention, not for we as a Nigerian. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa òun ni pé a fẹ́ papọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa òun ni pé a fẹ́ jẹ́ ẹyọkan ní Nàìjíríà. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa òun ni wípé àníṣe ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe wá lẹ́yọkan. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa ni pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dà wá papọ̀ àṣẹyọkan. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa a ò mọ̀ sí a lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ a bá wọn sọ. Kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ tinú wa àwọn kìíní yìí dẹ̀ ní nígbà tẹ́ dà wá pọ̀ yìí ẹ fún ní expiring date 100 years, that's a 1st century. Ó dẹ̀ ti pé láti 2014 kí la tún dúró ṣe, kí ni tá à ń wá, kí ni tá à ń mú, kí ni tẹ́ fẹ́ tà wá láàmú fún. Ẹ dẹ̀ sì dúró ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú yìí, ẹ dẹ̀ dúró dandandandan pé Nàìjíríà ṣáà gbọ́dọ̀ wà together. Ẹ sì dúró pé a gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀kan, ẹ sì dúró pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe wá lọ́kan. Kí ló dé kí lára ń gbá yín? Yorùbá làwọn ò ṣe mọ́, Ìgbò làwọn ò ṣe mọ́, àwọn ń lọ Biafra làwọn ń lọ. Why can't you leave us to go? Is it by force to be one Nigeria? My question is this. It is by force to be one Nigeria. Ṣé bí Yorùbá ní a kì í sú ẹran mọ́ran kí kankan eléyìí ti fẹ́ kàn pa eléyìí ó fẹ́ kàn jù ó fẹ́ kàn olójẹ́ kí taf olójẹ́ kí Nnamdi Azikiwe yóò sọ wípé mo máa ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin wèrè yìí, mo ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin dìdìrín yìí, mo ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin òpònú yìí wípé tí ó padà wá ṣẹlẹ̀, mo ń sọ fún yín ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ní gbọ́ dìdìrín wèrè ara yín ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú yìí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ní gbọ́ ọ̀nà tí wàá sọ. Nnamdi Azikiwe wá sọ gbólóhùn ọ̀rọ̀ ó fi gbólóhùn ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ ó náà sọ tiẹ̀ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá kọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn tí wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn yìí àwọn tí wọn ò fẹ́ ara wọn dénú yìí tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ó ní tí ó padà wá ṣẹlẹ̀ rí o it give warning ó ní it is better ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe wí ó ní it is better ó ní ó dá kẹ́ Yorùbá ní tàti wéré báyìí ní tìkúté lé àsùnparajà báyìí ní ti gé àdà gbólóńgì ní bá dorí kodò àrílé àròkọ àwọn wọ̀nyí ó ti dorí kodò. Nnamdi Azikiwe ó dorí kodò ó wá rílé oroko. Nnamdi Azikiwe ó dorí kodò ó wá rí ilé ó rí oko ó ní it is better for us and many adherers abroad that we should disintegrate in peace, not in pieces. Ẹgbẹ́ o àtẹ̀yìntẹ́ ń bẹ lókè òkun o ẹ jẹ́ ká pín lẹ́rọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú ìdùnnú ẹ jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú wàhálà àtogun o ó ní ẹ má jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú kíni o pẹ̀lú